Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Rock County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Clinton, or 10 miles west of Yellowbaum Lake, and moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mukwonago, Palmyra, Potter Lake, North Prairie, Richmond, Millard, Tibbetts, Abel's Corners, LaGrange, Troy Center, Eagle, Genesee, and Genesee Depot. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Sunday evening for southeastern Wisconsin.